It's payday and you just found a $2 bill worth $35,250. Not every $2 bill is rare and valuable, but the one in this video is, so pay close attention to what I'm going to be telling you in this video. So if you find a $2 bill like this, the first thing you need to know is do not fold it, don't damage it, because the condition's important. Next, when you go about selling the banknote, you want to find someone trustworthy. The last thing I want to happen to you is you bring this banknote to someone who's not trustworthy and they don't pay you the fair amount for the bill. So what do? The first thing I'd recommend doing is going to multiple coin shops or currency experts and getting their opinion on the value. So what exactly caused this $2 bill to sell for $35,250? Well, first of all, like I said, the condition of the bill is very important. This graded at a 64 ppq, the highest grade being 70. But the main factor is the fact that this is a serial number 1 bill and there is a star at the end of the serial number. If you have a $2 bill with a star like this, leave a comment down below and let me know. What the star means is that when they're producing these sheet of bills, there is an error or some sort of damage or mistake on the sheet. So what the Bureau of Engraving and Printing does, where they produce these bills, is they destroy the sheet and produce a new sheet of bills. For bookkeeping purposes and to make sure there's no theft or anything like that happening, they make sure that they put a star at the end so they know that this was a replacement note. That in combination with this being a serial number 1, that means this is the first note produced for this replacement run. Serial number 1 bills are so challenging to come across, but if you have one, it can be worth a lot of money. Now, it doesn't need to just be a serial number 1. It could be any sort of fancy serial number. I'll be brief here, but what a fancy serial number is anything that a collector may think is cool on a serial number. So it could be a solid number 1 serial number, meaning they're all ones, or it can be an ascending ladder or a descending ladder, meaning it starts with 1 and it goes all the way up into 9. For example, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9, or starting at 9 going down to 1, or pretty much there's multiple different fancy serial numbers that can be very attractive for collectors. And if you have one, it can demand a premium in the market. So keep your eyes peeled for fancy serial number bills like this with a star that are in high graded condition like this, because you could have a bill worth a lot of money, because this one sold for $35,250. YouTube has a complex algorithm that knows exactly which video you should watch next, and that video is located up on the screen right now. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.